Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Driving Fish. Last week we have prepared Chettinad Biryani. Today we have Hyderabadi Biryani by Aachi, and we're going to see how this is going to come up. Come on, let's dive in.
In the pack we have mixed spices, ready-made masala and raw basmati rice. The recipe is very simple. You will have to follow 3 steps to prepare Hyderabadi dum biryani. To begin with, let's marinate the chicken using the ready-made masala. Apply masala, and it's recommended to marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes. Now let's cook the rice until it's almost cooked, roughly 70 to 80%. Add 1 liter of water to a flat bottom pan and add all the spices that came along with the kit, and add a teaspoonful of salt. Wait until the water is boiling and then add raw rice. Be careful while stirring. Do not break the rice. As you can see, the rice is almost cooked and I'm going to drain the water. Before we assemble the biryani, let's cook the chicken for about 5 minutes. Now let's assemble and cook the biryani in steam for about 5 to 8 minutes based on your stove. Sandwich the chicken in between the rice and additionally add mint and coriander leaves. Now let's close the pan using a lid and put the flame on low for roughly 5 to 8 minutes. Now the Aachi's Hyderabadi dum biryani is ready to be served. In case if you haven't watched our video Hyderabadi biryani recipe, you can find the link in the description.
So our Hyderabadi dum biryani is ready and the flavor is really nice, and I'm going to taste it now for you guys. The chicken is nicely cooked and it got nicely marinated. Yeah, it's nice. I think you can try this at least once at home. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a new video every week. And if you haven't watched the Chettinad Biryani, you can find the link in the description below. Until then, see you. Bye.